Hey guys, hey, it's James, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I'd like to welcome you to Mississippi Coroners, Facts or Fiction. Now, for those of you who've been watching the channel, I'd like to thank you. And for those of you who are watching for the first time, we'd like to welcome you. Now, we are talking about Mississippi Coroners on this channel, and also the good, the bad, and the ugly. But we are talking about a subject today that all coroners are aware of. However, I don't see enough people reaching out and using this program. Now, I want to talk to you today about the Mississippi Crime Victim Compensation Program. Now, this is a program that would help you with monies in the event that you have some type of tragedy in your family. So if you're not aware of the program, then that is our subject today, and I'll try to explain it to you the best as I can. All right, let's go. I hope that you can see my board because I outlined some things so that I wouldn't forget to tell you. So we're talking about the Mississippi Crime Victim Compensation Program. If you look on the board from left to right, this program will pay you or reimburse you for certain care in the case that you use a loved one, you lose a loved one under the state criterias, and we'll talk about those in a minute. But the thing that they will reimburse you for is like cost of funerals, court-related expenses. They will pay for loss of wages for the victim as well as for the person filing the application on the victim's behalf. They will pay for crime scene cleanups, for medical expenses, domestic violence housing. These are temporary housing. If you're in a domestic violence situation, you can be compensated or reimbursed for that. They will pay for a reimbursed mental health counseling, for the loss of child support, loss of tuitions, and also they will pay for transportation for medical reasons. You know, this is medical transportation if you don't have transportation. Now, the type of crime that we're talking about under this program are homicides, DUI deaths, stalking, domestic violence, burglary, if you were assaulted, and was disabled in some kind of way, if your child was physically abused in some kind of way, they will pay for those expenses, whatever it takes to help that child. If for some reason there's a robbery in your home as it relates to a crime, child pornography, also terrorism, sexual assault, human trafficking. All of these things are the types of crime that will affect a person's life for not just that particular day, but for weeks and months and years to follow. And they are debilitating and will take you out of society. In the state of Mississippi, Crime Victim Compensation Program will help you with some of those expenses. Now, to claim these benefits, you must complete an application online. You have to go to the Attorney General Office website for the state of Mississippi. That's all you need to know. The Attorney General's Office, state of Mississippi, and you will see on that first page, Mississippi Crime Victim Compensation Program. You click on that and the application will be right there for you to fill out. You must fill out this application online. As coroners, we used to have paper applications, but we no longer get them from the Attorney General's office or the state crime lab. Now, also remember that the victim must have contributed to your financial well-being or any children that were left behind in order for you to be eligible for payment or reimbursement. This is the Mississippi Crime Victim Compensation Program. Okay, guys, I kind of explained some of the things that would help you to make an application through the Attorney General's office so that you can be reimbursed or compensated if you qualify for this program, for this money. So I think that if you would take a moment and take a look at it, it may be beneficial to you. Now, again, these are facts. It's not fiction. These are facts. I have assisted people in filling this application out, and you can get the same kind of assistance in your area, wherever you are. It is an in-depth application. However, it is taxpayers' money, and if you need it, then you should apply for it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Listen, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, because I'll give you a video every single week on Mississippi coroners, facts or fiction. And until next time, we out.